morning and welcome back to the channel. This is GP Winging It. And this morning, Thursday, July 22nd. It's about 6:30 in the morning and there's a sad tune on the radio. And it's fitting because today's the day I signed over the deed to my CB 1000R. That's the other bike that was in the stable. It was time to move on for her. After only one short year and a few thousand miles, this old back, these old bones, just couldn't take it. And it's really just that simple. I enjoyed riding her. She was an incredible change up from riding the large wing, which is 400 pounds heavier and actually has less power and responsiveness for obvious reasons. Much longer wheelbase here. But she had to go. Yeah, she had to go. She will be replaced shortly with something a bit more comfortable. I guess I got to that stage in my life where I'm gonna own it. The body just can't take that focused or sporty riding position for hours on end. It was time to say goodbye. She's gonna be missed. In her place, better believe there'll be a much more comfortable and relaxed riding position. Thanks for hearing my story, folks. Goodbye to the CB 1000R. So you heard it, folks. Now it's just me and the wing. Should I love it any less because I cheated on her for a year with that Sport Naked? Nah, that's not how we roll here on this channel. Or is it? Oh, you gotta love your freedoms. Freedom to choose. Do what you want to do. I know I'm gonna do my thing. I don't love the wing any less. But she's the only one in the stable now. How do you feel when you give up a bike or when you sell a bike or trade a bike off? Do you feel like you disowned one of yours? Do you feel like you abandoned one of the youth? I don't know. Come on, guys. You know I wouldn't do it to you. I'll get you a look. I'll get you a little look. There she is, folks. She's the only one left in the stable. Should we love her any less? Or should we love her just a little bit more? I know one thing, this N26 going to Great Neck, he don't love me so much. Yeah. I gotta tell you though, when I had that CB 1000R, and I'm riding her every other day and taking her out instead of the wing, I mean, I'm getting really quick, really aggressive on her and doing all of the things that I was doing or trying to do on the wing. And really, with the long wheelbase, I don't care if you're running it in sport mode, It ain't the same. I love the wing, but it's time for a change. You guys have a great day. It was love getting back to you guys. I haven't spoken to you guys in about 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I look forward to giving you a lot more content on the new motorcycle that's coming into the stable in the next few weeks. Yeah, I guess you could say COVID's got to slow down on everything. Everything coming into the country takes a little bit longer, but we're gonna get her done. Yeah. Have a great day. GB winging it, and I am out.